The biggest AI coin is right now at this very interesting area, but will we finally see the bullish breakout, or do we consolidate even more? In this video, I will talk about RNDR token and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin, RNDR and all other cryptocurrency. First link in the description. In the beginning of the year, we saw this massive bullish push from RNDR into this new all-time highs at $13.83. And after we see this all-time high, we were in this bearish structure all the way back into this demand zone. This demand zone, which was the start of this massive push right here. And often if we have a beginning of a massive move, the chance that big players came into the market is very high, and that we will retest this last zone because big players can come into this zone. We are taking some liquidity again, and then we can push the market to the upside from these prices. They took profits over here and they can invest again in this market right here. And as you can see, we took liquidity with this big wick right here. We saw this bullish price action and we saw this price increase from this last low. So this is a very bullish sign. And as we go deeper into the chart, you can see that we were in this bearish trend, and from this last high right here at $7.25, we saw this move into this last lows. And if we now can break this one to the upside, then we are in a daily bullish structure again. But as you can see, we had this low right here. We made a higher high, higher low, higher high, and we are right now building a higher low again. So we are clearly building a bullish structure again. And especially if we are now breaking this last lows to the upside, then the real bullish explosion can begin. And if we can break this zone, then the next very interesting zone is this high right here at $11.87. And I think this probably move can go really fast. And if we can also break this one, then of course we have the all-time high at $13.83. And RNDR token is one of the biggest AI coins in the whole crypto space, and we already have a market cap of around $2.7 billion, so we have very much money in this coin. But we also have a very high potential for the top of this bull run. And to calculate the next potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool, and then we are getting the next potential price target of $20.28. And from the prices right now, we have a potential over nearly 300%, which is really amazing. But for the top of the bull run, the chance is very high that we will reach this price target of $48. And from the price right now, we have a potential over 800%, which would be really amazing for RNDR token. And of course, these are just price predictions from the prices right now. But as I said, this is one of the biggest coins in the AI space. The AI coins have massive potential. And as you can see, we saw this bullish price increase, especially in the beginning of this year. And if Bitcoin is going to the upside, the chance that the altcoins and especially the AI altcoins will explode is very high. So I think this is very realistic. I, of course, will take some profits at these prices and this one, but if you're reaching this one, I would take most of my profits. And if you're standing on the sideline right now, I would either get into the market right now because, as I said, we are building an upwards move. So if we now can see higher prices, this would be an amazing chance to get into the market. And I think for the long term, these are really cheap prices. And if we can break this last zone, then I would wait if we come back into the zone between $6.50 and $7.20. If we're coming here again after breaking out of this zone, this is the bullish confirmation. And there you can build spot positions or long-term trades. Or if we are seeing lower prices again, as long as we are holding this box right here, I would think that these are great chances to get into the market again. So if we are seeing a bearish move, seeing bullish interest right here, then I think this is also a great chance for RNDR token. And if you want to trade RNDR or other altcoins, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with my link, you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.